True Tone? Is that what you're working on? Oh. Is it deaf, or are you just recapping it?
Well, recapping it, really.
Okay.
Oh, you got it on video.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. I thought you were just taking plain old pictures.
This is only going to go on the internet. No pressure.
Three of them to do. One guy hangs onto the bulb and the other two are spinning the ladder.
There you go, boys and girls, a Transoceanic H500. I get a picture of the front. Upside down picture. Oh, there it is.
Oh, you can give you a little light on this.
What kind of radio we got here, Charles?
This is a Traveler 4 transistor, 5 transistor. This is Rich's.
Oh, yeah?
Not a very good one. By our standards, deaf.
That is not good.
Deaf.
This is what happens when you have a 120 volt dial light. Oh my goodness.
And you don't have a 19T8 by any chance?
19T8? They don't have one over there? I'll take a look. I think I might have one.
You're kidding.
No.
The selector switch for the ranges, it was actually seized. It took the switch all apart, took the operator up at the shop right here, and was able to get it all punched out, lubricated, put it all back together perfect. It worked here, take it on home, check another tube, and all of a sudden it starts going down. I pulled it right away because it's a power cord that gets jacked out of there. Pulled it out right away, and all of a sudden I hear bang! Needless to say, the electrolytic on the power supply had finally shorted.
Well, it went out, huh?
And I was lucky enough to pull the power just before this went bang, because otherwise it would have taken the meter movement out. And the meter is still.
You can't get those meters too easily.
No.
What, that's not a precision, is it?
Yeah.
It is, okay.
TB12.
I have precision 912.
That's what I got.
Yeah. They're good.
Okay, the radio's working?
Not yet. No.
Not yet?
That's not yet. We'll laugh at it as we like to.
A lot of problems.
Okay.
All right, here's your close-up. Oh, there you go.
This is what the president of the New Jersey Antique Radio Club does for his club. Clean up.
Oh. I thought you were going to chase after Juan Valdez and his donkey so we could make another pot.
No. I clean up.
Oh, okay.
That's my job.
Oh, what kind of radio we have here?
This is a Westinghouse from about 1940.
Oh, okay.
But that's not the original back with...
Yeah,
yeah.
Somebody threw it in the dryer and left it in there too long?
Seems like that, yeah, something
okay.
like that, yeah.
Okay. Some footage here. Just a beautiful radio. There's a speaker for it. And the mystery dialer. What did they call this?
Was it a
Did they call it the mystery dialer?
mystery? I think it was the mystery. The battery, we don't have the
Mystery to me, I don't remember what they call
it.
it.
It was a mystery battery. The battery went back to the museum. Look at how chewed up those.
Were you able to do one?
Ooh.
No, we got to chit-chatting and see how we replaced them with the one from this donor.
Oh, okay.